Hello, my name is Sean Sperry, and in this video we're going to do a demo of our Spectrum Protect Plus for Online Services Microsoft 365 Data Protection, Data Resiliency product. And what we're going to do is demonstrate how to restore OneDrive for Business files. And we're going to use a little different interface in this. We're going to use a point-in-time file browsing interface. So what we're going to do is look at all of the backups that we have of the environment, and then pick one and then browse down to restore users' files. So that might be useful in the case of ransomware. You were attacked by ransomware, or just as an alternative interface to finding the types of files that you want to restore. So let's take a look at that. Here we are in the OneDrive of my demo user, Adele Vance. And for the sake of demonstration, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete this L4 Tech Academy file or folder, all the files within it as well. And of course, anything could have happened to this folder or all of these folders. Maybe the user accidentally deleted them. Maybe the user left. Perhaps they were attacked by ransomware and were encrypted. But whatever the case, they are now gone. I'll go ahead and just to get rid of the soft delete copy in Microsoft Office, I'll go ahead and get rid of them here. Of course, if you were within the soft delete window, the user could automatically restore them here, but I'm just going to assume that for whatever reason it wasn't recognized in that soft delete window. Now, if I go to Spectrum Protect Plus for online services for Microsoft 365 and click on Restore, I can search by service type, and I'm going to do a OneDrive for Business as the restore type. But what I'm going to do here is, rather than use this top level box here, I'm going to use this find the items in a specific backup job to search. And when I go to that window, the interface I get is a little different. You can see that I'm backing up or doing data protection operations every day, 4 times a day. So I see all of the backup jobs. And so I have a nice little point in time calendar here that I can pick whatever time I want to do the restore. So if I'm looking for a specific date, or maybe want to go back several versions, it makes it easy to do that. For the sake of my demonstration, I'm going to just take the latest version. So I'll take my latest backup, which is September 4th at 11:43 p.m. And here you can see I can search for a particular Microsoft 365 user, or what I can do is just click here, and when I do, I'll see the documents folder from the user, and I can just drill down and pick a particular folder or a particular file that I want to restore. I deleted this whole L4 Tech Academy folder. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and restore all of those. I'll go ahead and take the defaults. You could restore the content, the security, the sharing permissions, the latest version and previous versions, etc. I'm just going to take the default here to just put the data back. Now, of course, I'm doing this as an administrator with all privileges, so I can see all of the users' mailboxes. You can use role-based access control to limit this to a particular user or a particular set of users if you wanted to do that for security purposes. If I click on Job Monitor, here are all my jobs. As you can see, I've been doing some automatic backups here, and my restore job is running up here. It'll take about a minute to complete, so I'll just stop the video while that runs and let it complete. Okay, so that took about a minute for me, and just to go back and take a look. If I go back to my user, refresh the data, you'll see that the files are indeed back now, and I can go in there and click them and take a look at whatever information I want to uh, take a look at. So that's my demo. I hope you found it useful, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.